If you want to pass a value into a function, modify it in the function and pass it back out of the function, what you're dealing with is called an in-out parameters. An in-out parameter includes the in-out keyword before specifying the type. So let's try this. Function plus 1. Add an in-out parameter called number of type int. So in this function, we add a parameter called number, and then it said before, specify the in-out before the type. So the parameter is called number. We say this is an in-out parameter and it's of type int. In this case, there is one more special item that you have to remember. When you call a function with an in-out parameter, it looks like this. Plus 1, you add the parameter name, because in this case we didn't skip it, and then you have to add the ampersand sign. That's because that way when you read this function and you see that it's being called, you know that, this is an in-out parameter. And that's why you see this special syntax when you call a function with an in-out parameter. So when we call this function, obviously when we print the initial number, you can see that it's been updated to 2, and this initial number exists outside the function, but it was modified by the function because this function can do that because of the in-out parameter. Otherwise, a function can only modify things inside of it. Because modifying things outside of a function is something very special, that's why we have this unique keyword called inout to alert people that see the code that what you're doing here is unique.